Google released a tool that is so good at AI that it can generate photo shoot of your products, videos, and ad campaigns with just one click. And this video, I'll guide you from scratch to the last minute that how you can do all of this and make a good brand image of your product. So let's go start from the video, and I'll take demo of Lay's. So look at this Lay's website. It's looking seriously good, and we will take this example as our product. Lay's, as you know, it's a good chip company, and now we'll just copy this image and URL of this website, and that's all we need. Yes, so if you have your own website of your product, you can also just copy your URL. If you don't have, just skip this one, and then we'll go to the Pomelli. Pomelli is the tool by Google. I'll link the URL in the description. So you have to just do one thing, click on let's go, and you have to put a website URL which you want a great DNA, and just wait for a while. It will start fetching the details from the website's brand website. And if you don't have a website, that's okay, it's totally fine. But if you have a website and product showcase web page, this is seriously good, and it will take some time. It will determine your visual aesthetics, brand color, which kind of font you guys prefer, it's great font, what kind of language you prefer, and what kind of logo and brand deals you like. So it will take and fetch all the details from the web page. So it's almost like an AI agent who scroll to all the details, collect all the images which will be needed for your product showcase. For example, you can see right now it's determining your visual aesthetics. So Lay's has a very yellowish tone, so it will take the details and colors, and especially the fonts, because this is gonna be really interesting. So just wait for a while, and let's skip to the part where it all did in just 5 minutes. Alright, so it's ready, your business DNA. This is the pop-up. You can see the Lay's website URL and so many images, font, colors it fetched, and this is all we need. You can see there's so many images and so many are loading already. You just have to click on looks good, and your entire interface is ready. Now let's talk about this campaign. So this is basically skeleton right now. The campaign will be loaded after a few minutes. So this is basically ChatGPT like interface where you can just paste your prompt and your ad campaigns will be ready. You can paste your product URL here, but we have to go to photo shoot because this is one of the best feature I've been using for a while. You can edit your photo, you can create your own product sample case photo shoot. I'll simply go on photo shoot and click on here. You can see the product image and product template. You have to click on product image. Now product image will be like there's so many images. For example, you can see all the fetch from the website, but I would suggest you can upload your own product image. If you don't want to, I'll just select this cattle one. This is original sea salt, interesting flavor. If you have eaten it, let me know in the comment section. Here now you have to select the photo shoot template. It already selected these kind of templates, so you don't have to even select them. It will already decide what's best for you. But if you still want some customization, you can select whichever you want. For example, I'm using in use, contextual, studio. All these are good photo shoot images which can actually good if you want to upload it on social media, meta ads, reel ads, YouTube ads. Now you can just scroll it. I'm scrolling it for different use cases. If you have a clothing brand, it also has fashion section. So that I think this looks good. I'll just click on looks good. See right now, I'll just click on create a photo shoot, and it will take some 2 minutes, max 2 minutes. And oh, it's just so speedy. And if it doesn't work in your regional area, you can just select US as in your VPN, because sometimes it doesn't work. You will have to just wait for a while, and we'll be ready. Okay, I did not expect this kind of high quality photos, but I got it. So you can see the first photo, which is like a white background, simple product showcase. Another image is like the girl is using it. Another image is used in a kitchen with proper bowl and chips. So all these images are seriously good if you want to list your product in Amazon, e-cart, and all these images can also be used for advertisement campaign. And by the way, without any copyright issues, because this is why Google is doing such a great thing. You can also create campaign just from this option, but I would suggest you to do not do this here. You just have to first exit this photo thing, and then we will take you to the ad campaign thing. You can also edit your product image too. For example, I want to create an image of this rattle cattle. So this one is pretty interesting flavor. I liked it. So I'll just paste it here, and I'll give it a prompt. If you don't know how to give it a prompt, simply go to ChatGPT. I said, hey, I want to improve this image way better, like background etc. I just need a prompt for this, and just simply click on here, you can select the images, and that's it. ChatGPT will analyze this image and give this prompt accordingly. For example, it gave a cinematic commercial product ad, ultra realistic commercial product cinematography of a sea lace cattle cooked, and you just have to just copy it. For example, I selected this text, that's all I need, and I'll just simply go here and paste this prompt to see what it cooked, and it cooked really well. Look at the background is gradient red, which often showcase that this is gonna be spicy flavor, and almost all the photos look similar with proper reflection on the. Okay, I'm literally in love with this entire tool because this is seriously good, and like so good that I initially did not think that this could be this easily great. Okay, for example, if you want to create ad campaigns for your product, you can also create ad campaigns, and you don't need to create it. It already gets generated, auto-generated. Just simply click on ad campaigns, and you can see these so many good campaigns. For example, full court heat, the zesty underdog. So it's also very clever in generating these kind of text. The party starring the pair, and it requires a very good copyright or very smart marketing guy to record such kind of interesting kind of campaign. You can also create video, by the way. Just click on animate button and it will start creating this ad campaign video, which you can use in Reels and TikTok. And of course, at the end, you can see the first image we got it. It's almost like animating that lace packet with proper text, image, context. Another one is this hand appears on those lace snacks and it's looking so good. You can also delete this DNA, by the way. So if you want to create another one, you can just simply click on delete DNA, and now you can add another URL of another brand, another product you want. I will do this, by the way. Till then, you can see another some ad campaigns I also generated. For example, look at this one. So this is a UGC artist, which is AI artist, by the way. Now she's AI influencer promoting your product. This could be your product, but for example, I'm using Lay's. And after that, Lay's, I tried another product which is called Pepsi, and of course we all know that. So let's try to create Pepsi photo shoot. I have so many images, just like the same steps you have to do again, which I already told you in the Lay's video. Now you just have to select your Pepsi. I like the zero sugar black one. Let me know in the comments what you like, and just have to click on this basically photo shoot shots, and it will auto generate these templates. Honestly, I feel I'm pretty lazy right now, so just I'll click these kind of templates because this is looking seriously good, and we have to wait a while because this is taking so many times. Sometimes it's a little bit busy, so yeah, just have to wait 2 minutes at least because this is why it takes so long. And the images are seriously good. For example, look at the campaign first. I love it. Okay, the campaigns are generally really good, and I am saying it again that these kind of campaigns require a large number of good graphic designers and people in the marketing, and it has been already generated by your website context without asking any questions. Have you seen, if you have never asked any question, it all generated automatically with just one click. You can see so many of them here. Alright, after Pepsi, I decided to do something smart. I said let's go to PS5 and see how it works. So I went to PS5 URL and said, you know what, just copy this URL and paste it and get another DNA, and the ad campaigns are good. A new universe approach, and this one is my favorite, tactical control reimagine. And these kind of templates are seriously professional that I just think, how can this someone AI in just one click made it? And by the way, let me tell you, these are generated by automated suggestion by AI. I did not even manually edit them. So you can see right now there's such a good thing, reliable protection plans. So this covers entire products of your, okay? So if you want to create something very new, something very even better, you can just go and just say, you know, hey, just generate this random template. If you don't know how to create the template campaign, you simply go to ChatGPT and say, you know what, generate this template, and generate this, basically specify your product, your use case, your target audience, your call to action, and that's all you need by this. That's all you need. You don't need extra marketer. For example, let's go to photo shoot and select a product. For example, I'll select this gaming controller. This PS5 controllers are my favorite. They look seriously aesthetics. I'll select this black and white one because this is one of those default one. So I'll just select this so people recognize it better, and I'll just simply add all these general one. I will use only 2 because I have to be a little bit specific here, since controller is not a general massy product, it's specifically designed for gamers, so I will just keep that in mind. And after selecting these 2, let's hope I get a better result. And oh gosh, this is seriously good. Can you imagine these kind of ad campaigns and high quality product showcase photo shoot videos I'm getting without much of the efforts? If you like this video, just simply click on like button, share it, and for more such cutting edge tutorial latest technologies videos every day, just subscribe the channel.